I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Degiro, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Degiro account. Start by accessing your Degiro account through their website or mobile app. Enter your credentials to get to your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the settings menu. Once you're logged in, look for the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the card management section. In the settings menu, locate the card management section. This is where you can manage your card settings, including unlocking it. Step 4. Select the unlock option. Within the card management section, you should see an option to unlock your card. Click on this option to initiate the unlocking process. Step 5. Confirm your action. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Sometimes, the verification code can take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient if it doesn't show up right away. I hope this guide helps you unlock your card smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.